Taking care of your knees is one of the best things you can do for your body. Let's spend a few minutes today to refresh your legs and restore your comfort. I'd like to share a routine that combines joint mobilization, lower body conditioning, and rhythmic tapping, while helping to tone your waist. Let's begin. Start by warming up your knees. First, place your palms over them and rub back and forth until you feel a gentle heat. This helps get the blood flowing to your joints. Next, slowly circle your knees clockwise. Now, rotate them counterclockwise. Finally, give them a steady, gentle press. This leaves your joints feeling relaxed and ready. Now, find your balance. Just lift one leg and hold steady. If you're a bit wobbly, feel free to hold on to something nearby. It's a great way to wake up your stability and keep your legs sharp. Next, let's work the calves. Keep your knees nice and soft, then slowly rise up on your toes and back down. Take your time with it, it's not a race. Focus on the engagement in your lower legs and stay with the rhythm. Keep one leg steady. With the other, flex your foot and kick out gently to the side. Control is key. Think of it as a smooth, flowing motion to wake up those thigh muscles. Slowly lift one leg behind you. Keep the motion easy and controlled. It's a great way to engage your lower back and glutes. And now let's taking a moment to release. Gently rotate to the side and look back. Engage your core as you twist. Feel that deep stretch through your midsection. It's like wringing out tension while effectively toning your waist. Stay steady and just kick your heels toward your glutes. Keep it easy and rhythmic. It's a nice way to loosen up those hips and get things moving. Hey. Now, use your other leg to tap the back of your calf, right at the junction point. It feels like a deep tissue massage and is perfect for releasing tension after a long day. Next, use your other leg to tap the point just below your knee. It's a great way to refresh your body and give your energy a nice boost. Finally, pat the sides of your knees. A steady, rhythmic tap helps release all the remaining tension. You'll feel your entire leg lighten up and refresh. Finally, just shake out your legs and let them settle, or feel free to relax them in whatever way feels best for you. This routine is designed to strengthen your legs and support your knees. Try practicing it daily to stay active and keep your movement comfortable. See you next time.